Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to hide video on Infinix Hot for their device. Well, knowing how to hide videos on your device can be important for maintaining privacy and security. Whether it is personal videos, sensitive content, or anything you prefer to keep private. Hiding them can prevent unauthorized access or viewing by others who may use your device. This feature can be particularly useful if you share your device with family members, friends, or colleagues, allowing you to keep certain videos confidential. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open a drawer and look for Phone Master. Tap on it. Okay, next you have to scroll and then select X Hide option. So now, set the password if you not create a password yet. Well, after that, select videos, and then tap on plus icon here. So, select the video you want to hide, and lastly, click confirm. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to hide video on Infinix Hot for the device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.